Joann's isn't the go-to anymore, so where can you actually buy a sewing machine? Here are 7 options to check out and what to expect from each. Welcome! I'm a sewist with over a decade of experience, and on this channel, I help you sew practical, stylish accessories that fit your life. So first we have big box retailers such as Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and the Home Depot. If you're starting out and not quite sure where to begin, big box stores might be the easiest place to start. You'll usually find budget-friendly mechanical machines, great for testing the waters without a huge investment. And yes, the Home Depot does actually sell sewing machines. Surprise! These stores mostly stock simple models. Think of it as the difference between buying a pre-cut bundle of fabric versus a wide selection of fabric by the yard. They'll do the job, but the selection and the support are pretty limited. Sewing Machine Plus is a well-known online store with a huge range of machines plus other sewing supplies. You'll find it at sewingmachineplus.com. Click Products in the menu, then choose Machines to browse by type or brand. You can also search if you already have a specific machine in mind. They have a wide selection and at a decent price range. But it's more of a browsing experience than it is a deep dive into machine features. Sewing Parts Online is another hidden gem. Lesser known, but very worth checking out. You'll find it at sewingpartsonline.com. They carry everything from notions to machines, and their filter options are fantastic. You can narrow it down by price, stitch options, throat space, and even machine color, and more. This is a great place to search if you want to compare lots of features across different machines in one place. Amazon makes the list because if you know exactly what you're looking for, it's extremely convenient. Just type in the machine model and it's usually there. But if you're browsing or you're not really sure what you want, Amazon is not ideal. It's a bit of a Wild West. Filters are basic, there's a mix of sellers, so make sure to double check reviews and listings carefully. Fabric Hut is a bit more niche. They only sell Juki and Baby Lock machines, but both are high quality brands. You can browse their machines by brand and sort by price. Just keep in mind, Baby Lock machines especially can get really expensive. But this is a good spot if you care more about having quality brands than a giant list of options. They do offer shipping or local pickup if you're in Hampton Roads, Virginia. Now, if you're getting value out of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. I found more sewing on Instagram, and they have a surprisingly large range of machines, from basic mechanical machines to high-end models. The site lets you sort by price or popularity, and you can search for specific machines. But the filtering is a little limited otherwise. One nice thing is that they clearly list the features and what is included in each machine, which makes browsing a little bit easier. Now, saving the best for last, brand websites such as Singer, Bernina, Brother, Juki, and more are what I think are actually the best way to find a sewing machine. If you want to see everything that a brand has to offer, this is the place to do it. You're not limited by a store's inventory or algorithm. You get the full lineup, including the newest models. Plus, these sites usually offer great filtering tools, full specs, manuals, and comparison features. Singer even lets you compare machines side by side. You might not buy directly from the brand, although you certainly can now, but this is the best way to understand what each brand is about and to find the machine that's right for you. Once you know what you want, you can always shop around for the best price. Well, there you have it. That's 7 places you can check out when shopping for a sewing machine. I'll put a link to all of the places referenced in the description below. Now, if you haven't seen my video on how to choose the right sewing machine for you, you may want to check out that next. I'll link it here. Bye!